Hey folks, Dave Castine with Vintage Cars Online. Today I'm bringing you a very nicely restored 71 Ford Ranchero GT based on the newer Torino platform instead of the older Fairlane platform. Brand new grabber yellow paint, updated aluminum Magnum 500 wheels with radial tires, front disc brakes up front. That great Ford reflective side stripe on the GTs. You look inside the bed. Sorry for the shadows. It's bright and sunny today on the Cape, as it should be. Like I said, this was freshly restored by a resto shop here in the Cape. It's nice, dual exhaust. Car was born with single exhaust. It's a 351 Cleveland 2-barrel. Believed to be numbers matching. I couldn't verify it, but I think it is. Nice running truck. Being completely restored. Tan interior, bucket seats, console automatic, non-working 8-track, but nobody cares about that. It's cool anyway. All new recovered interior, carpet, door panels. Nicely done. Straight door panels, straight body panels, I should say. '51 Cleveland 2-barrel, power steering, power front disc brakes. Runs great. Motor's all rebuilt. Runs and drives good. And this is www.vintagecarsonline.com. 617-513-7407 if you're interested in adding this Torino to your garage. Take care, folks.